Unlock the artistic spirit of Frida Kahlo with this electrifying digital painting journey. Join me as I unveil the mesmerizing beauty of Kahlo's iconic persona through the power of Procreate. In this captivating time lapse, I'll walk you through my painting process, divulge valuable tips, and ignite your passion for digital art. Get ready to unleash your creativity and immerse yourself in the vibrant world of Frida Kahlo. So today I'm digitally painting with the iPad Procreate app. What a wonderful tool. Okay, first I sketched Frida's portrait, but don't be afraid to trace. Yep, the cool thing about using your Procreate app is you can trace if you'd like to, and there's nothing wrong with that. Here I am using the Soft Pastels brush in my Procreate brushes library. And right now I'm just filling in the darks, the darkest of the darks, and some of the lightest of the lights. That bright blue up top, that's some of the lightest lights. And of course the dark purple, dark blue. Okay, there I just used the smudge tool on the Procreate app, one of my favorite tools. And here's some shading of the hand. And well, now moving to the hair, but the shading of the hand and the arm is important to make it a rounded object. But another great reason to use the Procreate app, because you can jump around. I can do the hair when I feel like it. Now it looks like I'm working on the eyes. So it's a great tool. You get sick of one area, move to the next. So who is Frida Kahlo anyway? Frida Kahlo was a renowned Mexican artist known for her unique and introspective works of art. She was born on July 6, 1907 in Mexico City. Frida's life was marked by physical and emotional pain, which greatly influenced her artistic expression. Frida's art often features self-portraits, which became her signature style. Through these self-representations, she explored her identity, her physical and emotional suffering, and her connection to Mexican culture and folklore. Her paintings often depicted herself in vibrant traditional Mexican clothing, which emphasized her distinctive unibrow and facial hair, challenging conventional notions of beauty. The themes in Kahlo's art were deeply rooted in her personal life. She suffered from various physical ailments, including polio as a child, and a near-fatal bus accident in her teenage years, which left her with lifelong chronic pain. These experiences, combined with her troublesome relationship with renowned Mexican artist Diego Rivera, shaped her artistic expression. While Frida's art gained recognition during her lifetime, it was not until after her death in 1954 that she achieved international fame. Her powerful and intimate works continued to captivate audiences, inspiring artists and admirers worldwide. Frida's art has become a symbol of strength, resilience, and self-expression, transcending cultural and temporal boundaries. Wow, you go girl. What a brave artist she was, and a person. I hope she likes the rendering of her portrait that we're attempting today. Okay, here I'm starting to use a new brush that is a really fun one. It's called the Aurora, and it's under your artistic brushes palette on the Procreate app. And there you'll see it's a mixture of dots or spots, for lack of a better term. Almost like the Aurora Borealis, I guess. Stars. It creates some terrific levels of color. Adding some more purple and pops of color in the hair, and her braid that she's known for. Doing some little details at this point. Here I'm doing some cleanup and some adding of a few highlights. The lime green highlights gives us some pop. I really wanted this to be a colorful portrait since the artist herself is so colorful. So this is why I'm adding the extra accents of color here. Really important in portraiture, don't forget the under lip shadow and the under nose shadow. Hugely important when making portraits, painting portraits. And here we are reminding you, don't forget the lower lip shadow. It's really important. Almost everybody has one. There are very few that don't. Now I'm making sure my darkest darks are dark enough in the shadows. And here we are playing. This is the fun of the Procreate app. I don't have to erase or use turpentine or take anything off. I can just try different backgrounds on different layers of my Procreate sketchbook, if you will. So I can just cancel it out, literally. I can draw it in there. See, I didn't like this one. I can draw it in there and then just erase it, clear it, and start again. And this, I think, is my final rendering. Coming up here, I think I liked how that panned out. And you'll see me playing with the colors and playing. Here I decided to add a black outline, which I liked. In case it's on a black t-shirt, I thought that would make it really pop even more. And there we have it. Okay, maybe a few more adjustments because it's hard for me to stop. And that's another thing artists have to learn. How to say I'm done and sign it. Okay, here I decided I wanted to fade the bottom so that if it was on a t-shirt, it wouldn't just be a cutoff, a strict cutoff. So there I just kind of erased a little bit at the bottom and I'm highlighting her name. And there you have it. Frida Kahlo. I hope you like it. And I hope you learned something. If you want to see more like this, feel free to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And if you'd smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Start painting.